In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana, a fantastic project management software that's perfect for beginners. Asana can help you and your team stay organized and efficient. And today, we'll walk through the essentials to get you started. First off, let's talk about getting your Asana account set up. You'll want to go to asana.com and look for the Get Started button. Click it, and here you have the option to sign up with your email or through your Google account. Today, we're going to choose the basic plan because, drumroll please, it's completely free. Don't worry, you won't need to enter any credit card information for this part. Now that you're signed up and logged in, let's take a closer look at what's included with Asana's free plan in 2025. This plan comes with a multitude of features. You'll have unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and access to your activity logs. You'll also get unlimited storage with a limit of 100 MB per file. It's worth noting that the free plan allows you to work with up to 10 teammates, which is perfect if you're managing a small team or just want to boost your personal productivity. You have 3 different views to work with: list, board, and calendar, and a basic level of search and reporting features. Plus, for smoother workflows, you have basic integrations available like with Google Drive, Slack, and Outlook. Next, let's set up your first workspace. This is where you'll be conducting most of your project management. Start by creating a new workspace, which could either be for your personal use or for your team. Once your workspace is ready, it's time to create your first project. Projects can include anything from a marketing plan to a content calendar or personal goals. After setting up a project, start adding tasks and subtasks to each one. This will become the backbone of your project management, keeping everything organized and at your fingertips. Organizing your work inside Asana is very intuitive. This is where the different views really shine. You can switch between list view, which is your traditional task list, board view, which gives you a Kanban style board, perfect for workflow management, and calendar view, which provides a visual of your tasks by due dates. Even on the free plan, these views can help you visualize your deadlines and plan your time effectively without needing any premium features. Finally, let's explore how you can collaborate with others using Asana. You can add up to 10 teammates to your workspace at no extra cost. Assignment is straightforward. Tasks can be assigned to one owner, while you can also add collaborators to ensure everyone gets updates on a task's progress. Don't hesitate to comment and upload files directly onto tasks, making sure all the necessary information is housed comfortably in one place. And there you have it. You're all set to begin using Asana to its fullest on the free plan, equipped with the knowledge to manage your projects like a pro.